Can you get 10 out of 10 on this quiz? Ready? Let's go! Which bird is known for its ability to mimic sounds? Parrot, owl, or lyrebird? The answer is lyrebird. What is the largest mammal on Earth? Blue whale, elephant, or giraffe? And yes, it's blue whale. How many legs does a spider have? 6, 8, or 10? 8! Very good. Which animal is known to have the longest lifespan? Galapagos tortoise, eagle, or lion? Did you get that one right? It's Galapagos tortoise. What is the main diet of pandas? Bamboo, fish, or leaves? Bamboo! Well done! What is the only mammal capable of true flight? Bat, squirrel, or eagle? It's bat! Which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah, lion, or horse? Cheetah, you nailed it. What is a baby kangaroo called? Pup, joey, or cub? Joey it is! You're on fire! Which reptile can change its skin color? Crocodile, chameleon, or snake? It's chameleon! You crushed it! Where do penguins live? Antarctica, Africa, or Australia? You're right, it's Antarctica. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to check out these quizzes that just popped up on the screen.